Fashion Design Basics, Understanding Blocks. Sign up to my membership for fashion design resources such as my one-sheet drafting guides. All 30 drafting steps in one place, each step clearly described. Variables for grading. Get a poster printed at your print shop. I am using these measurements for this draft. Sleeve blocks are usually basic, and fine-tuning is left to the design stage. So much depends on the style of each garment. We start with a rectangle. Width is the top arm measurement plus 2 inches, 5 centimetres. Length is the length of the arm, which is measured from the shoulder point down to the wrist level along the outside of the arm. Divide the rectangle into 4 equal sections. This gives you the forearm line, the top arm line and the back line. Decide on the depth of crown. Make use of the average measurement for UK sizes 6 to 22. The range is 5 inches, 12.7 centimetres to 6 inches, 15.1 centimetres. This makes the increment between sizes an eighth of an inch, 0.3 centimetres. Find the F and B points on the back and forearm lines. B is half depth of crown less 3/8 of an inch, 1 centimetre, down from the top line. F is a small quarter of an inch, 0.5 centimetres lower. Label U on either end of the depth of crown line, which will be the underarm position. Rule guidelines connecting U, B, T, F and U. Find the midpoints and measure out at 90 degrees as shown. Connect all the points using a French curve. You are aiming to have some ease when fitting the sleeve into the armhole. My sleeve is measuring 17 5/8 inches, 44.5 centimetres, and my bodice block armhole measures 16 3/4 inches, 42.5 centimetres. So that's 3/4 of an inch, 2 centimetres for ease, which is perfect. We now add some shaping at the lower edge of the sleeve. Raise by 3/4 of an inch, 2 centimetres on the forearm line and 3/8 of an inch, 1 centimetre at the side seams and connect with a curved line. Use the shoulder to elbow measurement to find the elbow level on the back line. Add balance markings either side of the line as shown. Duplicate the wrist line shape at the elbow level. This is the finished basic sleeve draft. It can be developed in many ways. Coming next, fitting the sleeve into the armhole. Please subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with fashion design and sewing pattern membership. Check out my one-sheet drafting guides and all my other fashion design resources. Thank you for watching this series.